Hello, this is Jane in Reviews, and today I am glad to review this free sample of gloves provided by Cottonnerie, and they are moisturizing gloves. So they come in size medium, mine are size medium. I like them because you can touch your iPad, touch your phone, and all you have to use to see results are wash your hands, and then you put them on and then you can sleep on them or leave them on for at least 30 minutes and your hands are going to be so much smooth, moisturized, soft. This is a great alternative for those people that need to work a lot with the hands and the hands get dry or they're using latex gloves. So this is perfect to relieve that. And also they come with a baggie to do laundry, put them inside, do your laundry, and then reuse them again. So again, this is awesome. Check them out. Thank you for watching.